September 28th, 2020, vocabulary. So we have a chart here. We have the vocabulary word. All these words are our vocabulary words. The definitions will go in this column, and the examples will be in this column. So for the first one, we have the order of operations, the vocabulary word. What is that definition of the order of operations? Is it the answer to a subtraction problem? No. The rules that state the sequence in which the multiple operations in an expression should be solved? Yeah. So we're going to take this. If you do click on this, make sure you're clicking on around the edge or the border, because if you don't and you click in there, it'll ask you to edit this, and we don't want to edit that. We just want to move it. Then there's our example. Evaluate. So what does evaluate mean? Is that an answer to a subtraction problem? No. Is it the acronym for the words parentheses exponents? No. Is it to solve or find the value of? Yeah. Evaluate, to solve or find the value of. Over here, it's solving a problem, solving a type of riddle. PEMDAS, please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. What's the definition? Is it the answer to a subtraction problem? No. Is it an acronym for the words parentheses, exponents, multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction? Yeah, it is. So we're going to drag that over into here. Now, we are still missing an example. Oh, there's an example. PEMDAS. Woohoo! All right, if I can line that up. There we go. All right, what about exponents? So we have the definition, the exponents, the value that specifies how many times that base will be multiplied by itself. So exponent. Oh, there's the example of the exponent. There it is. How about the difference? We have some kind of subtraction problem here. So the definition, the answer to a subtraction problem. Bingo, bingo, winner, winner, chicken dinner. And we have completed our vocabulary.